Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a JavaScript REPL on Replit step by step. If you want to write and run JavaScript code directly in your browser, this guide will help you set it up easily. Let's get started. Replit is a cloud-based development platform that allows you to write, run, and share code in multiple programming languages directly from your browser. Here's how to create a JavaScript REPL. Step 1. Open Replit. First, open your web browser and go to the Replit website. Sign in to your account using your email or Google account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free. Step 2. Click Create REPL. Once you are logged in, look for Create REPL or Create button on your dashboard. Click on it to start a new coding project. Step 3. Select the JavaScript template. You will see a list of programming language templates. Search for JavaScript and select it. This template is designed specifically for running JavaScript code. Step 4. Name your REPL. Enter a name for your project in the REPL name field. Choose something descriptive like JavaScript Practice or Hello.js Project. Step 5. Create the REPL. Click Create REPL and Replit will automatically generate a coding workspace for your JavaScript project. Step 6. Write your JavaScript code. In the editor, you will see a file called index.js or main.js. You can start writing your JavaScript code in this file. For example, you can type a simple program like console.log hello world. Step 7. Run the code. Click the Run button at the top of the editor. Replit will execute your code and display the output in the console panel. Step 8. Save and share your REPL. Your project is saved automatically. You can also click the Share button to generate a link and share your REPL with others. Important tip: you can install packages, add more files, and even build full web applications inside your Replit workspace. And that's it. That's how you create a JavaScript REPL on Replit step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical coding tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.